Good morning, everyone. Speaking of stones, would there be life without rocks and stones? Life would be very unpleasant or would not exist at all without rocks. There would be no coal, no minerals, no or metals, no oil or fuel, and no groundwater good enough to drink. In a worse scenario, there would be no earth. Rocks are formed by combination of minerals called rock-forming minerals and can be found in all our rocky planets. Our solar system is composed of inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The rest of the planets are giant gas planets with probably a solid core. Earth's crust is made of rocks containing silicon, iron, magnesium, and other minerals in addition to oxygen. The core of the Earth contains iron, nickel, heavy metals, and probably most of the other minerals in liquid form. Rocks are all around us, from mountains to pieces of gravel and sand. There are 4 different kinds of rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed by gradual accumulation of sediment built of sand and mud and other materials. There are hydrothermal rocks that are formed when bodies of hot mineral-rich water cool down. Then there are igneous rocks that crystallize from molten magma or liquid lava. Metamorphic rocks contain igneous and sedimentary rocks that are formed in conditions of high heat and pressure. Ores are rocks that contain precious metals, gemstones, and other minerals needed in our lives. If you pick up a rock in your backyard, that rock, depending on the size, could contain up to 200 different minerals. Those are the same minerals you need to be able to live and live a healthy life. Rocks and stones are mostly inorganic materials. Inorganic minerals are generally formed over time from non-living materials. Organic minerals are formed through a biological process. There are 3 types of organic minerals. There are hydrocarbons made of main components of oil and gas. There are salts of organic acids, and then there are rocks made of miscellaneous materials. One of the organic minerals is the coral. A small creature creates coral by ingesting the ionic ocean minerals and secreting into a formation of a coral and a coral reefs. All organic minerals, including organic gemstones, are produced by living organisms. Unlike inorganic minerals, some organic minerals and gemstones are renewable and can be formed. Pearls would be one example of those. Other organic gems are jet, cells, amber, and fossils. Also, the stones that you produce, kidney stones and gallstones, are organic stones. Kidney stones form when calcium and oxalate combine with uric acid. Gallstones are hardened deposits of digestive fluids and cholesterol mixed with calcium salts. Process for both of those are similar with other organics caused by bacteria, irritation, or some sort of chemical reaction. Although your experience with those kind of stones might not be very pleasant. Your body needs minerals. 5 major minerals your body needs are calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Then there are minerals called trace minerals that include a long list of other minerals required by our bodies. All of those minerals in your body work together and need each other to work properly. Insects, plants, and animals also need minerals in order to have a healthy life and ability to reproduce. All those same minerals are also found in rocks that you find on the beach or in the soil of your backyard. Soil contains rocks that are broken down. In addition to minerals, organic matter, gases, liquids, and organisms that support life are found in your soil. There's a quote from French wine grower: "From the soil we have come, from the soil we want to live, and to the soil we shall go." Next time you pick up a stone, don't lose the wonder. You are holding an item that is made of the same materials as you are. There would be no life without rocks and stones. Everything in this nature and in this planet of ours is intertwined under the same umbrella of life. Thanks for listening. Any questions or requests, please contact speakingofstones@gmail.com. Have a sparkling afternoon. See you next time. Bye-bye.